With TaxCalc's MTD quarterly filer being a simple bridging solution, the work we do actually begins in a spreadsheet first. So I'm going to run through TaxCalc's own spreadsheet template. Now you do not have to follow our template, you can use your own, and you can map those documents to our submission process as well. But it is just important to make sure, if you are using your own spreadsheet template, you follow a couple of easy rules just to make sure that you are compliant with HMRC's MTD rules as we go through. You need to make sure that there is a clear formula in place, linking your sales and your purchase transactions directly to a totals page. Those items cannot be manually typed on the totals page. That digital link is required to stay compliant with MTD. So to do this on our side, we have set up formulas within our sales transactions and our purchase transactions page, so we can track all the details of these transactions as we go through, customer details and references, descriptions of the lines, but crucially the analysis, so essentially our code of choice, and also the amount of these transactions as well. In here, you'll see I've got multiple items selected for turnover. If I trace this 500, the 300, the 200, and the 100, we'll see the total of my turnover lines sums to £1,100 down the bottom. If I take that over to my quarterly filing totals page, I will see that item pulling through on our turnover total sheet on here as well. So just making sure that trace, that link is in place, those formulas are entered, just make sure that you stay compliant with HMRC's regulations there. Once this is done, this file will then be ready to import and place into our MTD quarterly filer.